All right. This situation where it happened so for airports, concerning the young lady that was thrown out from the aircraft, there's different stories to this now, because at the end of the day, some are saying the lady were asked not to use her phone. She was using her phone. At the end of the day, the plane arrived. They have to prevent her from coming out from the flight so that the police can arrest her because she was using her phone inside the flight. I don't understand that story, as you can see right there on the screen. Then, why others are also saying that she was prevented, just because she had an argument with some of the hostels inside the flight. At this particular moment, we are not too sure what happened. But my main concern now is that this girl, she gets the right to slap the staff of the aircraft. There's a question. What is wrong, regardless of whatever. For UK, if now you first slap person, if they carry a knife, take by you, now you can't know. If now you first raise your hand on anybody, if they carry a gun, take by you, now you can't know. So, what is currently going on right now? Because if we don't stop this now, more people will do worse at the airport. Maybe this time, it might even be when plane go day up. Now they go do this thing if we don't stop it right now. But I'd like us to listen to what Very Dark Man have to say and other video, then we'll take it from there.
So you see your life. Now they don't show everybody your breast. Well, the good part is see your breast now fine breast. So you know go be say okay, yes, they show one kind thing. Well, every breast now fine breast. Now for some reason I don't know why you people are just circulating just this video where some people for airport drag this girl from the airport down. Did you people not see the other video where she did slap the flight attendants? That girl, did you people not see the other video where she started slap before they start to they draw out? Nigeria, now just any narrative owner like now carry. Did you see what happened before they decided to drag the girl?
What did you do? What did you do?
She is
Did you mean? I came and with
your counter.
I came with weight.
She's hitting me. She is hitting me. She's hitting me. She was giving her slap left and right.
Who was slapping who?
She was slapping on the head. Strangled her like 5 times.
Now, you see what she did? She kept on slapping the flight attendant, the bomb air flight attendant. The flight attendants no respond. And at the end of the day, they told the girl to leave the flight. She refused to leave. What do you want them to do? Yes, two wrongs don't make it right. They were not supposed to drag her down like that. Do you understand? But then again, sometimes some people that behave like animals, you treat them like animals. It's like when you get goats now, you want make the goats come out. The goats no, you go hold on by the horn, you go draw the goats, make the goats follow you. Especially during Ilya, when I walk by the goats on our chop, or the ram, and the ram decided to be a ram. Go treat her like ram. Now, what is the problem? They said they told her to switch off her mobile phone that they want to land. And she refused. In the previous video where they talk about K1, I still talk that scene. I say a lot of you, when you go on flight and they tell you to switch off your mobile phone, respect the laws of the plane. Una no go agree. I watched one documentary one time, one Oyibo pilot say, people switch on their phone, and during when they need to land, they need signal. Sometimes the signal of your phone will intercept the signal of the pilot. It will intercept them. Sometimes they might land when they are not supposed to land. They can go and crash into another plane. Una know they hear. They say switch off your phone just 1 minute. Una no go do am. Una go on for Magidi. Now they said the girl went as far as breaking the rules of the plane. And upon that, they were still talking to you. You still get mad, the slap. They never drag you. They never drag you. They never drag you. But then again, like I said, 2 wrongs don't make a right. To the people that drag that down like that, no, that is wrong. No matter I want to even try to say they wrong, I can't remember say they get the behave like goats. Goats where get fine breasts. Fine breasted goats.
Breasted goats.
Man, where get fine girl like that with shape, no manner. See how she just did is slap your fellow woman in the presence of everybody. Show the kind of woman where you be. Person like you now, your boyfriend would try. Because you get bad character. Now your 5 breasts are the look, oh. It's not be your breasts normally. For say make police pick you, but they don't already pick you. Now your 5 breasts are the look. And to those of now, we wanna want to use Vaseline, walk on that breast this night.
Let's go.
Not fault at the end of the day.
Oh no, oh, that breast nice.
Oh, it's a oh boy, it bomb.
Breast nice.
No, those kind of breasts, they look you. I will fold you. Let me. Hey, be work on like breast. Anyhow, whether it's for anyone, nothing concern. So far, say that breast at the game. If I did I go say, just leave her. You two be careful.
But I get breast bad.
No, it's bad. And you know wear bra. Upon that, you know come wear bra. You want be it, you want be goats. You see no gree wear bra. You will decide to be a ram and you know gree wear bra. You see your life, that video will circulate the whole social media for years. For years, you go do social media. And you go learn the hard way. Peace and love, don't play. Please respect the laws of that plane. Please. You are endangering the life of other people by not switching off your mobile phone. Now let's get serious. You endanger the life of people by not switching off your mobile phone. How many minutes? Come down and press your phone. When I go do this, come on. May God help us for this country. May God help us. But again, even now, 2 wrongs don't make it right. Don't drag people like that, even though the people decide to act like rams and cows. Thank you very much.
Madam, I beg come out for a make I pass. Everybody that leave the restaurant. Come out for a make I pass. Now don't see wahala. I want to go out. And here hostess is standing on the way.
Okay, now, what's your take on this? The whole thing get as it be, but regardless of whatever or anyhow, any angles, any dimension we try to see it from, this is wrong. You know, fighting on an aircraft is wrong anyhow we want to look at it. You know, but my message to Festus Keyamo na be this. Una no arrest Oshomole. Una no arrest K1. So this girl so, now she una want to start how to arrest. Make una be careful because Nigerians are watching. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that is affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.